Okay.
Good morning, 10th class children. Yesterday we discussed about probability. What is probability? What are the terms in it? And what is the formula? See, in lower classes also we learned about probability. It is the easiest chapter, easy to understand and easy to score marks. See, it is a very large question. Tossing a coin, one time, two possibilities. Head and tail. When we toss a coin, two times, four possibilities. Three times, eight possibilities. Eight possible outcomes. Favored outcomes and total outcomes. Total outcomes when we toss a coin, 3 means 8, 2 cube. See, like that, yesterday I explained about coin, about dice. There are, it is in the cube shape. It is in cube shape. There are 6 faces. They are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And since these are the numbers, natural numbers, some are odd numbers, some are even numbers, some are prime numbers, some are composite numbers. We will ask questions like possible outcomes are 6. Among the numbers 6, you choose, suppose composite numbers means C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Composite number, first composite number 4, it has more than 2 factors. Hence it is a composite number. It is next to number 6. So favorable outcomes 2, 4, comma 6. 4, comma 6. Composite numbers are composite numbers are 4, comma 6. There are 2 formula. Probability of composite numbers. Composite numbers is equal to formula. What is the formula? Number of favorable outcomes, favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. See here, favorable outcomes are 2. Total outcomes are 6. Answer is 200 to 300. 1 by 2. Like that. So in public exam they will ask under 1 mark. Find the probability of composite numbers. Sometimes probability of prime numbers. Prime numbers means starting prime number. Prime number, this is number 1, composite number. This is number 2. Prime numbers. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5. So number of prime numbers are 3. So probability of prime numbers. Probability of prime numbers is equal to 3 by 6. That is 1 by 2. So this is the way of finding probability. Easy. no a plus b whole square, no a minus b whole square, no other formulas. Simply you use this number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. This is the event. What is the event here? Choosing composite numbers from the dice. Choosing prime numbers from the dice. Like these are all events. Every problem is an event, elementary event. Its value always lies between 0 equal to 0 or less or greater than 0 and lies between 0 and 1. Answer may be equal to 1 or less than 1. Answer may be equal to 0 or greater than 0. Not more than 1, not less than 0. Probability never be negative. Probability never be greater than 1. Greater than 1. You take care of this. Your answer will be always equal to 0 or equal to 1 or in between 0 and 1. That is important. See, so like this they will ask questions. This is about dice and dice, D-I-C-E, dice. And tossing coin, it is rolling a dice, throwing a dice. Like that, we drop like this on the floor. See, dice has 6 faces. Each face has numbered like this. Among these numbers, some are odd, some are even, some are prime, some are composite, perfect squares. Perfect squares are 1 and 4. Like that. So he will ask in any way. So after that, about deck of cards. Next, yesterday I explained about these cards. Deck of cards. Deck of cards. There are total number of cards in the pack 52. There are 52 cards. And in each there are club, spade. Club, spade are in black color. And heart, diamond are red color. These are red color cards. Heart, diamond are in red color. Club, spade are in black color, and each item, each color, each is what we say figure, club, spade, each 13 cards. Among the 13 cards, there are jockey, queen, king are face cards. There are 3 face cards in club, 3 face cards in spade, 3 face cards in heart, 3 face cards in diamond. Total face cards are 12. Among the 12, 6 are in black color, 6 are in red. You will ask like, so you must be aware of all these points. First, what are the cards, types of cards? Types of cards are club, spade, they are in black, and heart, diamond, they are in red color. Each type cards are 13. 13 fours are. Club are 13, spade are 13, heart are 13, and diamond are 13. See, 13 fourths are 52. Total number of parts are 52 and each 13 black are 26, red color parts are 26. Like that we have to remember all these points. Now one question given in the textbook. I will explain now, but see, this is the easiest chapter. Please concentrate. Easy to score marks, more marks from this chapter. This is the formula. PE, generally we use in the formula PE, where E stands for event. Every problem is an event. Every question in the book or question paper is an event. See, in this dice, Rahim removes all the hearts from the cards. Question fifth, first exercise, page 320. I want to explain this. Page 320, first exercise question. Fifth question. Yesterday I explained 4. Today now, fifth. Rahim removes all hearts from the cards. Hearts are, how many hearts are there? Hearts 30. 13 cards are removed from the total pack. What is the probability getting an ace from the remaining pack? Ace, how many ace? I already explained yesterday. The cards are started from A. A means ace 1, next 2, next 3, like this. Dash, 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 10, next jockey, king, queen, king. This is the order of the cards. So, in each time, 4 aces are there. 4 aces. 1 A in club, 1 A in spade, 1 A in heart, 1 A in diamond. So, we removed all the heart cards. So, how many aces are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 aces are there. So, totally probability of ace cards, probability of ace cards is equal to favorable number of favorable outcomes. How many aces are there? 3 out of 50. So answer is 3 by 50. Next question, this much only. First only he removed all 8 cards from heart. Heart cards are removed. Means 13 cards are removed. So we like to write here remainder 13 removed. No? 52 minus 30. 12 3s are 4 39. So this is 1 by 13 answer. We have write here total number of cards, not 52 here, because we removed 13 cards. 13 hard cards. So remaining cards are 39. Next, getting a diamond. Diamonds. This is first. Possibilities of diamond. How many diamond cards? Diamond cards. 13. 13 cards out of 39. Like this. He is asking diamond cards. How many diamond cards? 13 cards. Total number of cards are 39. Because we removed already 13 hard cards. Not all. we can cancel 1, 31 33. Okay, next third question. Third, getting a card that is not a heart. Getting a card that is not heart means heart. How many cards are there? Probability not heart. Not heart means how many cards are there? 39. The total number of 39. So this is one answer. Not heart means we can get any one. Okay. Getting the ace of cards. No ace of cards. Probability of ace of heart. We already know heart cards, so there is no availability. So 0 by 39, answer is 0. So this is the solution of about dice. About dice. It's not the problem. Why this is one not hard? We know all hard cards. So remaining cards are 39 and total number of cards are 39. Answer is 1. Right. Okay. Sixth question, it is given that in a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday is probability of given 0.992 PE given, birthdays given. So not is asking not means to subtract 1 minus PE, 1 minus 0.992. Its answer is 0.008. So this is the bar. This bar stands for not E. And this is the 7th question. This is 6th question. Now 7th question. See, simply subtract. Not means subtract from 1. By 1, probability maximum probability value is 1. Least is 0. What is the probability of selecting the outcome? A dice is rolled once. Find the probability of getting 7%. This is the problem about dice. A dice is rolled once. Find the probability of getting a prime number. I already explained previously. Prime numbers are 2. Probability of prime numbers. Probability of prime numbers is equal to prime numbers are 2, 3, 5. So 3. Total number of outcomes are 6. So 1 by 2. Second bit, a number lying between 2 and 6. Probability of 2 and 6. Probability x, suppose this is x, like 6. Between 2 and 6 numbers are 3, 4, 5. Lying between 2 and 6. But the 2 and 6 are not included. The number lies between 2 and 6 are 3, 4, 5. So probability of this is equal to number of all favorable outcomes are 3, total 6, 1. Next, third bit, an odd number. Probability of odd numbers. Probability of odd numbers. Odd number. This is the problem regarding related to dice. So how many numbers are there? 6. Among the 6, we have write odd numbers. Odd numbers are 1, 2, sorry. Odd numbers are yes 1, 3, 6. Odd numbers do 1, 3, 5. 6 is an even number. So these are again 3 digits, 3 numbers. So favorable outcomes are 3. Total number of outcomes are 6. This is 1 by 2. So like this, we have to solve the problem. Next, 8th question. What is the probability of selecting a red king from the deck of cards? Red king, red kings, we know what are the red cards types, hard red color, and one is another is diamond, also red color. So one king from hard we get, and one king from diamond. 1. So probability of red kings. How many red kings are there? 2. 2 by 52. That is 1 by 26. See, very easy. Red kings. So red colored are heart and diamond. We get one king from heart, one king from diamond. Total number of kings 2 from red color. So 2 by total number of hearts are 52. Total number of outcomes 52. So 1 by 26. So you have to prepare by reading these problems. 5 more questions of this king using dice, cards or birthdays, and discuss with friends and teacher about their solutions. You have to write such questions 5 your own by reading these problems, examples, right? You have to prepare it is first choice, 9th. We have black kings also. You can prepare black kings, birthdays, your friends' birthdays. Like it is a leap year, non-leap year. You can tossing a coin. You can prepare questions of your choice. Next, see. These are easy to understand. You did not use any formula, algebraic formula. Very easy, common sense. Now, exercise 2. Also, you can do these all problems so easily. Page 324. Page 324. Exercise 13.2. See, easy questions. A bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A bag contains by 324 feet. A bag contains 3 red balls, 5 black balls. Black balls. A ball is selected at random from the bag. Selecting a ball, otherwise selected a ball at random from the bag find probability that the ball selected red. Probability of red balls. First question, not red. Second question, P of not red. Probability of not red. Balls. P stands for probability. E stands for event. This is an event. Elementary event. Selecting a red ball, selecting a black. See, you have 5 steps. Number of red balls 3, number of black balls 5, total number of balls like this. Number of red balls 3, number of black balls 5, total number of balls is equal to 3 plus 5 equal to 8. So these are the steps. Next, you have to find the probability of red balls. Favorable outcomes are 3. So favorable outcomes are 3. I am not writing the formula. You have to write formula for every problem. Probability of red ball is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. So 3 red balls, total number of balls are 8. So answer is 3 by 8. And for not red balls means how many black balls are there? 5. 5 by 8. Like this. Very simple. For every problem you have to write formula. Writing formula you will get half mark. Apply formula. Don't forget. See, second question. Same question. A box now. Second question, 324 page. A box contains, this is 4, 5 by 8. A box contains 5 red marbles, 5 8 white marbles, 4 green marbles. One marble is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability? Find probability of red. First question. Second bit. White. Probability of white marbles. Third. Not green. Not green. Probability of red marbles means how many red marbles? 5. You write steps like this. You write steps number of red marbles, number of red marbles, 5. Number of white marbles, 8. And the number of green, 4. Total number of marbles is equal to 5 plus 8 plus 4, 30 plus 4, 70. So these are the steps. Whenever one question is given, you have to write steps according to marks. If it is asked under objective in objective type, you need not write steps. Directly you can apply formula and solve. So here probability of P stands for probability. Probability of red marbles. So our favored outcomes are 5. Red marbles are 5. Red marbles 5. Total number of marbles are 7. So answer is 5 by 17. Write formula. And the probability of white marbles. How many white marbles? 8. So 8 by 17. Not green. Not green means it may be red or white. So total number of not red colors marbles are 30. 5 plus 8, 30. 13 by 7. Like this. So this is the solution of problems like this. Very easy. You need not apply any algebraic formula in this. And the third question, a kidney bank contains 50 pice coins. Third question, a kidney bank contains 150 pice coins. Contains 50 pice coins, 100. 1 rupee coins, 1 rupee coins, 50 and 2 rupee coins, 1 rupee, 2 rupee. 2 rupee coins are 20 and 5 rupee coins for 10. See, third question. Read the question first. Kitty bank contains 150 paise coins, 51 rupee coins, 22 rupee coins, 10 5 rupee coins. It is equally likely that one of the coins will fall out when the bank is turned upside. We have to turn like this. Tell the kitty bank. When we turn like this, then the whole coins will fall down. Just when we tilt like this, shake like this, some coins will drop from the box, kitty bank. So he is asking probability of 50 paise coins. Number one, probability of 50 paise coins and probability of 1 rupee. Next, second question will not be 5 rupees. Will not be 5 rupee coin. Only these two questions are asking. 1 rupee, 50 paise coins, not be a 5 rupee coin. See, total number of coins. Total number of coins is equal to 10 to the 30 18. 150, 170, 18. According to question, like this. Sometimes you will change the figures. How many 50 paise coins? 50 paise coins are 100 out of 180. So 100 by number of favorable outcomes, 100 by 150. So this is 0 0 cancel. 2 5s are 2 9s are 5 by 9. Now this is the answer of 50 paise coins. Probability of 50 paise coins is 5 by 9 chances. Next will not be 5. Will not be 5 rupee coins means remaining coins are 170. Not means we are removing 5 rupee coins. How many 5 rupee coins are there? 10. So 180 minus 10 by 180. 170 by 180. So this is 0 0 cancel, 17 by 8. So this is the way of solution. Not 5 rupee coins, you remove this. So remaining coins are 170. Total number of coins in the box in the kitty bank 180. So 17 by 18 is the answer. So like this you solve remaining problems. Let us see others tomorrow. Very easy chapter, please concentrate. Easy to score more marks from this chapter. So if you have doubt, please ask. Contact me on phone. Don't worry. Okay. So thank you. please go on. You also follow example problems. First read the problem. By using your knowledge you can easily say the answer.